Guatemalan Enchiladas. Wash 4 large beets. Three tablespoons of salt in a pot filled with water. Cover the pot and cook. Should take 30 to 40 minutes to fully cook. In a separate pot, add 4 tablespoons of oil. Two large onions finely chopped. Five garlic cloves, also finely chopped. Add 4 bay leaves and 10 stems of fresh thyme. Two diced tomatoes. Five pounds of ground beef. Add 2 tablespoons of salt, three tablespoons of ground black pepper, two tablespoons of chicken bouillon, 5 carrots finely chopped, around 30 green beans also finely chopped, 4 potatoes that have already been boiled and finely diced. Cook this all together for 25 to 30 minutes. Our next step is to add 4 bay leaves and thyme to the same water we cooked the beets in. This is called a curtido. Add 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 bags of shredded cabbage, or you can use 1 whole cabbage and thinly shred it yourself. Drain your cabbage once you let it submerge into the water. To the cabbage, add 4 beets that we cooked earlier and dice them. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of salt. It's best to marinate the curtido overnight and eat it the next day, but this is optional. Now to make our salsa, we'll need 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 large onion. Once the onions are cooked, place them in a blender. Add 3 tomatoes to the blender with 1 tablespoon of salt. Once everything is blended, cook for 10 minutes. Season your tomato salsa with 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Now you're ready to assemble your enchilada. Start by adding mayonnaise to the bottom of your tostada or your fried tortilla. Then add your ground meat right on top. Next, layer your curtido. Add some raw onions and a boiled egg. Your salsa goes right on top, followed by some parsley and cilantro. Finish your enchilada off with some fresh cheese, some queso fresco, cotija, or Parmesan cheese. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this enchilada recipe. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and comment.